Indonesia has pledged to cut its greenhouse gas emissions by 29% independently by 2030, or 41% with international support. In line with that, Indonesia is one of the countries selected to receive a grant under the Forest Investment Program, or FIP. The FIP supports developing countries' efforts to reducing emissions from deforestation and forest degradation, known as REDD, and promotes sustainable forest management that leads to emission reductions and the protection of carbon reservoirs. FIP Indonesia has two projects. The first, community-focused investment to address deforestation and degradation project, administered by the Asian Development Bank, is known as FIP1. The second, promoting sustainable community-based natural resource management and institutional development, is administered by the World Bank and known as FIP2. The FIP1 project is executed by Indonesia's Directorate General of Social Forestry and Environmental Partnership. The project is expected to strengthen the capacity of forest management units, or FMUs, districts and provinces, provide support to harmonize sub-national policies for carbon stock enhancement with national policies, establish non-monetary incentives for a natural capital, benefit sharing mechanism, as well as implement monitoring, safeguard systems, and gender-responsive programs. The FIP1 project is being implemented in Sintang and Kapuas Hulu districts, which are home to the second and third largest state forest areas in West Kalimantan province. The project's direct interventions are occurring in 4 avenues and 17 villages, including in Betung Kerihun and Danau Sentarum National Park. The project has two main outcomes. By 2026, cumulative greenhouse gas emissions in the project areas will be reduced by 3.7 million tons of carbon dioxide. And by 2022, the household income of local communities in 3 avenues will increase by 20%.
Setelah masuk program ini, kami sangat berbahagia karena kami boleh menenun dan menghasilkan yang agak memuaskan lah bagi kami.
Ketika program Agroforestry itu hadir di desa kami merasa sangat terbantu dengan program itu karena tingkat ekonomi juga sudah mulai berubah dan mulai membaik. Karena selama ini ibu-ibu tidak hanya bisa bekerja untuk di rumah, namun ibu-ibu juga bisa bekerja di program Agroforestry yang ada itu.
Meanwhile, the FIP2 project is executed by the country's Directorate General of Forestry Planning and Environmental Governance. FIP2 focuses on supporting and strengthening the national effort to decentralize forest management through the operationalization of FMUs. FIP2 is being implemented in 10 FMUs in 8 provinces across Indonesia. FIP2 has 3 outcomes: creating an enabling environment for decentralized forest management, evidence-based decision-making and monitoring by FMUs, and improved FMU operational capacity and local community income.
Semangat KPHP Kendilo dalam mengelola hutan adalah bagaimana dapat melibatkan peran masyarakat, baik yang berada di dalam kawasan hutan maupun di luar kawasan hutan, untuk bekerja sama dalam membangun dan mengelola hutan, demi terwujudnya kelestarian hutan dan kesejahteraan masyarakat. Dengan adanya Forest Investment Program 2 ini, maka sangat bermanfaat dalam mengembangkan dan meningkatkan kapasitas SDM KPH dan kapasitas SDM kelompok tani hutan untuk mengelola usaha bisnis berbasis kehutanan. KPHP Kendilo bersama tim supporting unit mendampingi masyarakat secara bertahap sejak tahun 2017, dan alhamdulillah pada tahun 2019 ini telah berhasil membentuk kelompok-kelompok usaha hutan sosial dengan berbagai jenis usaha. Kita dukung selalu PIP 2 ini demi mewujudkan hutan lestari dan masyarakat sejahtera.